Thanks for bailing us out back on Zord. Hold that thought.
Well.
So how do we find the Emperor?
Or I say, you sure you're ready? Okay, we have to draw him out. So I was thinking I'd disguise myself as a robot, but with a really big...
Do you know what that sound is? Listen closely. Is it fear? Hope? The slow inevitability of death? No, it's me. Winning. What else is new, you say? Oh, quite right. But you are only a part of one dimension. What about the rest? Maybe I'm just old-fashioned, but I think everyone deserves a little subjugation. So, to celebrate such a momentous occasion, I'd like to honor the good doctor who inspired this journey in the first place, by invading his home dimension personally.
What?
My first stop, Megalopolis. Or, as I like to think of it, New Nefarious City.
When do we leave?
Right now.
Are we home? I am afraid so.
Truly turning our dimension into his own.
Nefarious is just up ahead. If you guys distract him, I can try and grab the Dimensionator from the blast.
We'll meet you there. You hear that, pal? Let's take out some snipers. Rivet, how's it looking up there?
Not great, but I'm with you. We've got you covered. Hurry and get that Dimensionator.
Heard our home be under attack. Know the pirate be.
There is one more sniper. Looks like the sky's clear of snipers. Let's move.
That looked rather painful.
The Emperor must be stopped before he causes the dimensions to fully collapse. About enough of you. Rivet, how's it looking up there?
Not great, but I'm with them. We've got you covered. Hurry and get
The Nefariouses are just up ahead.
Pirates be here to get it all back.
Time for some fun stuff today.
You all right?
Nothing that can stop us now.
Show your face, tiny rebel! They will not deter me!
Incredible as always!
Ratchet Clank! They're here!
You are the heroes of this dimension? That is hilarious.
You got lucky last time, Nefarious. Is.
This calls for a special sort of annihilation. I've been looking for an excuse to wear my new suit.
Where did he go? What's your move, Nefarious? Is that a rift? Or we need your help. Nefarious just...
are no longer in exile. What has gotten into you lately? I was so used to you being dull.
Come on! We have to fight this thing! Fire at those monitors!
Rivet, you will never guess!
Quantum? What are...
We've got a plan. Just hold them off a little longer.
Right! Sure!
What do you think of my new look? I call it my power suit. I rarely have an occasion to break it out.
I guess your funeral's as good a time as any! Come on! Just have to weaken his stupid power suit! Down.
Rivet, you are no longer in exile. What has gotten into you lately? I was so used to you being dull.
Come on! We have to fight this thing! Fire at those monitors!
Rivet, you will never guess!
Quantum? What are...
We've got a plan. Just hold them off a little longer.
Right! Sure!
What do you think of my new look? I call it my power suit. I rarely have an occasion to break it out.
I guess your funeral's as good a time as any! Come on! Just have to weaken his stupid power suit!
stand a chance.
Come! There is a battle to be won! You've got this, Quantum!
Emperor Nefarious, your campaign of destruction, cruelty, and wanton snobbery is over! How's that?
I have goosebumps. Oh, brr.
You nailed it! Now jump!
You! This dimension really thinks it will get the best of me. How about tire their heroes?
It's still working! This is not good. Everyone shoot those monitors!
This is how you get your dimension to respect you. Unconventional, perhaps, but effective.
Lacking honesty, imagination, elegance. This is my dimension to rule!
You think you're clever, don't you? I will win! Won't you just... No!
get you into Nefarious' heart. As in the robot's heart. Just hurry!
Thank you!
There, the heart. If we destroy it, we can take down his mech entirely.
I think someone is inside of your power suit.
Get out! Troopers, go! Defend the heart! I was sent.
There, the heart. If we destroy it, we can take down his mech entirely.
I think someone is inside of your power suit.
Get out! Troopers, go! Defend the heart! I will send every weaselly, ungrateful citizen of this dimension to the darkest, most remote pits of reality to suffer in ways their tiny minds could never begin to comprehend.
It's working!
Why will they not just stop it?
See? This is why my dimension is hard to take over. It's not because of me.
That remains to be seen.
You have nearly done it, Ratchet.
No! My suit! It's failing!
Keep firing, Ratchet. You all right? Got it.
Gary, I could use an exit!
Ratchet! Clank!
We got thrown to the other side of the city. Hold them off as long as you can.
You think you can defeat me? I will bring in all of my armies, all of my followers. You will bow before me!
He's gonna destroy the dimensions!
cannot run away anymore.
I can't let you do this alone.
I will hold back his army. Take him down.
I will hold them back as long as I can.
They all love me! You all love me! I am the destined emperor of this dimension, of every... over. You've never defeated me before, and this time will be no different.
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart! If you don't stop...
The thankless, uninspiring dimensions are collapsing! Oh, how could I?
Nefarious! Now everyone can finally see you for what you really are!
Show them who I really am!
Kid, I could use a hand! Thanks for the save!
After all this time, just to betray your emperor, KT-7416?
Do not stop! I will hold them back as long as
They all love me! You all love me! I am the destined emperor of this dimension, of every dimension! This isn't near over. You've never defeated me before, and this time will be no different!
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart! If you don't stop...
The thankless, uninspiring dimensions are collapsing! How could I?
Nefarious! Now everyone can finally see you for what you really are!
Come, my troopers! Let's show them who I really am!
Kid, I could use a hand! Get back! Thanks for the save!
Back after all this time, just to betray your emperor. 87416.
My name is Kate. And you are not my emperor.
Oh, Rivet and Kid! How utterly charming!
Do not let it near me!
Kid! Heavy incoming! Got it!
This isn't nearly the end of me! Not even close!
Singed fur!
Make a fool of me!
Come, my loyalists.
Every one of you, come together to fight for your beloved Emperor! They're all gone! Hello? No one?
Nope.
Enough! I will collapse every dimension into nothingness!
This is the part where you lose.
You really thought you had me? Get off of me, you loathsome! Please, we can win this together!
What do you know about winning?
You two really are a couple of hot shots.
Look who's talking. Ready to fix this, pal?
I would love nothing more.
Hey, I'm sorry for what I said before. You're my friend, and thank you for coming back.
Team?
Team.
I guess it's time to go home, huh?
Yeah. Our dimension could use a couple heroes right about now.
Well, how would you two feel about making a pit stop on the way?
Where are we headed?
I think you know.
Is that us?